Nandigram in Bengal's Purba Medinipur district will be voting tomorrow in the 6th phase of polling. The situation remains tense in the area after yesterday's violence and clashes in which a BJP woman worker was killed. Deployment of central forces has been increased in view of the delicate situation in the area. Remember, yesterday a BJP woman supporter was killed and 7 others were injured in violence that the BJP alleged was unleashed by TMC goons. The BJP woman worker who was murdered has been identified as Rathibala Ari. No arrests have been made so far by the police in the case, is what we are told. The killing of the woman sparked widespread anger in the area, with raging BJP workers and locals taking to the streets and torching multiple shops. The protesters also clashed with the police, and the cops had to resort to a lathi charge to bring the situation under control. Now, the West Bengal BJP has written to the Election Commission claiming collapse of law and order structure in the state and demanding an intervention of the poll panel to ensure free and fair elections. Speaking to the media, West Bengal leader of opposition party Suvendu Adhikari demanded a CBI investigation into the case.
पूरा बंगाल में क्या हो रहा है ये देश देख रहा है, दुनिया देख रहा है। एक तरफ संदेश खाली में वहां पर माताओं को रात की 12 बजे वहां पर तृणमूल के कार्यालय में बुलाए जाते हैं और टीएमसी गुंडों द्वारा उनका असम्मान और उनको जो है सम्मान लुंठित किया जाते हैं। और उसी प्रदेश में जहां पर नंदीग्राम में 2 दिन के बाद चुनाव होने वाला है, नेक्स्ट फेज में चुनाव होने वाला है, वहां पर एक महिला का ऊपर अत्याचार और उनको पीट के उनका जो है जान ली गई है। मैं कहूंगा कि पश्चिम बंगाल में एक महिला जो है मुख्यमंत्री होकर भी ऐसा घटना हो रहा है, इससे दुख की बात और क्या हो सकता है।
ठीक है, we want CBI investigation. CBI will investigate the matter. It's a brutally killed. They all are BJP people.
Now, the Trinamool also sent a delegation of its party's leaders to Nandigram, including Rajiv Banerjee and Partha Bhaumik, but they were met with protest, with locals raising "Go Back" slogans against them. Now, the Trinamool denied any role in the violence and said it happened due to an internal fight within the BJP.
जो जान गए इसके लिए हम लोग बहुत दुखित है। किसी का भी जान जाए ये तृणमूल कांग्रेस कभी नहीं चाहते हैं और तृणमूल कांग्रेस इसमें किसी भी तरह का कोई इन्वॉल्वमेंट नहीं है। ये पूरा बीजेपी का आपस के लड़ाई है। एक पारिवारिक विवाद को लेके 2 बीजेपी आदि और नब्बो, नया और पुराना, ये दोनों बीजेपी का लड़ाई में जानबूझ के यहाँ तृणमूल कांग्रेस है कहाँ।
Meanwhile, when a response was sought from the TMC MP Saugata Roy on the Nandigram violence, which claimed the life of a woman BJP worker and left 7 others injured, the senior leader of the Trinamool called it a faltu matter or a useless issue. Listen in to believe it.
जो मुद्दा निकल के आ रहा है नंदीग्राम का,
वो फालतू आप लोग संवाद माध्यम उठा रहे हैं, तो कोई इशू नहीं है।
बीजेपी का कर्मचारी भी किया है, लोग बोल रहे हैं,
उससे कोई फर्क नहीं।
So there you saw senior Trinamool Congress leader call the murder of a BJP woman worker a faltu issue, a useless issue. There is an element of normalization of violence, poll violence in Bengal. It's a matter that is hardly new. We saw it 5 years ago as well, and we continue to witness it to this day. We've had central forces deployed there. The election itself is ongoing in all 7 phases in West Bengal, and the battle is only really heating up. In fact,